Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how can you actually install the custom Kajabi website template on your Kajabi website. First, we need to go to the website and then design. You will have the already activate your theme. Now scroll down and you can see the upload template buttons. We're going to click on these buttons and then we'll use my device option. And now currently I have two templates. One is fresh and another is summer. I'm going to install the summer. You need to wait few moments. Okay, now scroll down and you will see the template is installed successfully. Now, by going to this customizer, you can actually start customizing the template. It is recommended to customize the template fully before activate the template. That's it. See you on the next video. Bye.